Welcome back to another video. First of all, I just want to say happy holidays, happy Easter, happy Passover. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys celebrated well with your family, and I know it's tough with all this corona going on, but I know you guys were fine. So today, just to celebrate this break off from school, or it's some kind of break, we still have homework, which is crazy, by doing some questions that are a lot more fun, some riddles. So if you guys watched my first or second video, I think it was my second video, I went over a math riddle and I left you guys with a question at the end. And I said, try to do it on your own. So today I'll be solving it. So for those of you guys who don't remember, it was like this. It was 8 dots. And the question was, how many squares can I draw connecting the dots? So let's try this out, right? Well, let's go for the easier ones first. We know that we can draw one right here. Right? That's a pretty easy one. And then we can draw one right here, right? That's 2 squares. Then let's see, where can we draw another? How about here? So how many is that? 3, right? Well, that looks like it, right? That looks like it. So I guess just 3. But wait, it isn't just 3. You guys are about to get your minds blown. And if you got this right, I'm very proud of you guys. That's crazy. All right. How about we try rotating it, right? Because this is a square. A square you can have a square like this. And that's still a square because if I rotate it that way, I just get this. So then why don't I try rotating this? So then this becomes something like this, right? Can I draw a square here? Oh, you bet I can. Look at that. So then that here is just this. So how many squares is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. So that was definitely a good one. I hope you guys had fun just, drawing out as many squares as you could and try enjoying it. Now today I bring you another. It says, which 4 numbers will complete this addition puzzle? So let's try the top row first, because you see it gives us something. So 6 plus something is equal to 14, right? What number plus 6? Well, we can count with our fingers or something, right? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 8. Or we can do this. 6 plus number is equal to 14. And if you guys remember my last episode, I showed you guys how to do this. So I can subtract 6 from both sides, right? So that means 14 minus 6 is 8, equals 8. But again, you guys don't need to know this as long as you can count it out. So if you go from 6 to 14, then you could be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that's 8. So now there's an 8 here, right? But if we're going down, it says 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Is that true? Because we always have to check our work. Is 8 plus 9 17? Yeah, it is, so that's good. And by the way, before I start this question, you guys can pause it just so you can find the question, which is again in the link below, and do it yourself first, because it's no fun if you just get the answer right away. So keep that in mind. Now let's try going down this way. 14 plus a number is equal to 30. Oh, that's a lot of counting. Let's try it anyways. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How many was that? 16. So it looks like 14 plus 16. Again, we could do this. Minus 14. Minus 14. It's like, let's say your friend has 5 apples and you have 5 apples. That means you have the same amount of apples. But if both of you guys lose 1 apple, you still have the same amount. So now we have 30 minus 14. So this becomes a 2, 10, 6, 16. Same thing. Now we have a number plus 9 is equal to 16. What is that? What number plus 9 is equal to 16? Well, let's do the counting again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7. Alright, so this is going pretty well. It looks like this is the last one. 6 plus 7 is equal to a number. So what's 6 plus 7? Well, that's equal to 13, right? And now let's just check this bottom row. 13 plus 17. Is that equal to 30? It sure is. So that's right. So those are the four numbers. 8, 7, 16, 13. The four numbers. So we got that question done. And before I end this video, I have a little brain teaser for you guys to do at home along with that one. So I will draw a square with 9 dots. There's a square with 9 dots. Now the question is, how can I connect all of the dots with just 4 lines? Like this is one line, that's a second line, that's a third line. And you may think that's all the dots connected, but they have to be connected to each other through one line. So it has to be something like this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or like they have to be connected in a line together. So something like this. But that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is more than 4, so that's wrong. So just try it out, guys. See what you can do, and in tomorrow's video, I will make sure to go over it, and you guys will get the answer. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope your families are safe during the holidays, and I hope you have a nice day.